So if you wouldn't be playing, being an actor, what would you be?
Maybe an astronaut. It'd be fun to go to space. Visit another planet.
A robot. A robot. A robot?
Yeah,
Really? Donc il aurait aimé être un astronaute, aller dans l'espace.
Je rigole pas quand je dis espionnage, parce que vraiment, il joue un rôle aussi. You know, when you go to another country and you pretend to be somebody else. J'aimerais bien faire ça pour mon pays. Enfin, pas être dans la Légion d'honneur. What is it, the French Foreign Legion? Oui, voilà. Avec chapeau. Bien des chapeaux.
I did almost give up acting one time, or I felt like I would.
Only once.
Yeah, like where I really considered it. I had a really terrible audition when I must have been 23, 4, something like that. And I
2 years ago.
Right. It just went really bad. And I thought to myself, you know, I'd really like to just go be a National Geographic photographer, writer. Like, I could do that. I could just go to Africa and write stories about, you know, the Dogon people of Mali or something like that. That would be,
Yanomamo.
yeah, I like that was a real consideration, but then I didn't. I stuck with
But then he booked the role.
Yeah.
Donc, en dehors d'être astronaute, il a déjà réfléchi, en fait, il a déjà pensé une fois à abandonner le métier d'acteur, et il aurait adoré être photographe et aller écrire des histoires en Afrique ou faire des photos de paysages, de la nature vraiment, et non pas la nature béton, mais la vraie nature dans les pays, et interroger les gens et vivre avec eux et avoir leur histoire. Et pouvoir nous les rapporter ensuite.
Mais en fait, c'est une sorte de la même chose qu'on fait déjà. On raconte des histoires des gens avec le vie qu'on a. Et c'est pareil de faire ça, je crois. Et ça ne m'étonne pas d'entendre ça. Je pense la même chose. Et quand on parle avec des autres gens qui font ce que nous faisons, c'est toujours la même réponse. On veut toujours raconter des histoires. Et c'est pareil, je crois. C'est toujours ça.
So what she says is that even for her, what she says she would like to be a spy girl is just because it's playing a role. You're going abroad and you're just acting for your country. It's just another form of acting. And the same for Ian when he says that he would like to be a photographer. And then tell the stories that he heard in the countries he visited. It's quite of acting too. It's another form of acting. It's still telling stories.
Hello Kylian, hello Wally.
Oh, ça va commencer.
Je voudrais savoir en fait comment se passe une journée type de tournage et est-ce qu'éventuellement on peut avoir l'adresse de leur hôtel?
Je pose pas de question.
Au Ritz.
Non.
Au Ritz?
Oui, bien
Ah,
sûr.
ce soir.
Autre question.
Pas les groupies là, t'as reconnu les groupies.
Vous parlez tous en même temps. J'ai que 2 oreilles. C'était quoi la première question?
Comment ça se déroule une journée type de tournage?
Merci. Non mais c'est pas faux. Hein. How's a typical day shooting? How's a typical shooting day for you?
Ça dépend si c'est la fée bleue ou si c'est Mother Superior, parce que c'est entièrement différent. Pour moi, si je joue la fée bleue, je suis toujours sur l'écran vert, toute seule en air. Je parle avec personne, une bouteille d'eau. Bonjour, c'est Raphaël. c'est Jiminy Cricket. Oh, comment tu vas? Et ça commence très très tôt le matin pour moi parce qu'il y a plein de maquillage, comment dire, coiffure. Et quelquefois ça prend 17 heures. Vraiment. Bah, c'est à cause du maquillage, quoi.
Speak to him in French.
Yeah. About something he already knows about. Yeah, so when I work on set, I show up early, you know. Yeah, it's early. I drink some coffee because it's early.
Do they have a makeup artist for you?
Sometimes, yeah, and they do your hair.
Do you make your own costume?
Yes, I'm in the corner, so I'm very confident. Fixing up.
What do you have for breakfast?
I'm in the back making eggs at the same time and sewing. Ok, j'ai fini.
Donc, vous avez compris, je l'ai traduit en français. Oups. Donc, quand elle commence, ça dépend si elle fait la fée bleue ou si elle fait la mère supérieure. Mais ça, elle l'a dit en français. Hein. So that depends if she's playing the Blue Fairy or Mother Superior. So, because if she's playing the Blue Fairy, she has to wake up very early, drink coffee because it's very early, make eggs while they're doing the makeup and doing the hair.
And while I sew my costume.
So, she said that in English, didn't she? So I'll say it in French. Donc. Donc elle se lève très tôt, c'est en gros 17 heures de tournage par jour quand elle joue le rôle de la fée bleue. Elle se lève très tôt, elle boit du café parce qu'elle se lève très tôt. Ensuite il la maquille, et elle fait son... Ah oui, elle fait son costume. J'ai oublié ça. Elle fait son costume évidemment. Et en même temps elle cuit les œufs. Et pendant ce temps-là il lui tire les cheveux. C'est éprouvant. Et comme Eon il savait pas, il disait mais non c'est comme dans le temps. Si, c'est pas... Elle dit ça, si c'est ça. And what's for you? Your type of day. I repeat the question. Your type of day.
Tell me about the day with the green face.
Oh, yeah.
Ah oui, quand elle est
Well,
en
that's fun. You know, yeah, it's good. That's really fun. I'd never done that before. I'm forgetting what it's called. It has a very technical name.
It's mocap, isn't it?
What?
Mocap.
Motion capture? Yeah, I guess that's what it is, motion capture. So I wore a green suit with a cutout here for my face, and then they put black dots all over in there for focal points for the camera. And that was a lot of fun. I know this isn't really answering the question about it, because that's not a typical day. I did that for one episode.
Interesting, really.
Yeah, and it was really fun to explore the physicality of what it would be like to be partially turned into wood. And that's a fun thing for an actor to do. You don't get to do things like that all the time. And to deal with like my joints stiffening, like what if I had a really hard time moving from my knees and my elbows, and oh yeah, when you get up, you kind of
I love those outtakes of you falling all the time.
Like a present.
I used to I don't think they really ended up much in the show, but I really like the physicality work. So I would do these things where I had like spasms, like fits of like extreme pain, and I would do these falls. And I like doing falls, I guess. So I would like trip and just fall flat on my face, and I like that. So
And we like watching it.
So for the rap party, they did a video, which is it online available? It is? Oh, it's really good.
Yeah.
If you haven't seen it, I don't know how you find it, but it probably...
Bloopers.
Yeah, it's
YouTube.
Have many of you seen that by any chance? It's really well done. They did a good job of editing that together. So anyways, on that you can see me take like 30 falls in a row. But yeah, to answer the question about a typical day, I don't think there is a typical day. Oh, now I'm losing you, right? Because
No, don't sorry, seriously, go ahead.
but what we do, I could take you through one thing, is you go in, you get dressed. You go in and have, you know, women typically do more makeup than the men. We don't really do much. But then we go in block, which is rehearsal. So you go in and you, with just the director and maybe the producer and only the actors and the cinematographer, you try out the scene. But television, especially, is always under a time issue. Like, oh, you know, they're always thinking about how long they have, and it's like always running out of time. So you have to do it quickly. So you get one, maybe two opportunities to feel the scene. And it's early in the morning, and you may or may not have even had coffee yet. You're tired and trying to figure it out. But then as soon as you do it, you are married to that way of playing the scene for the rest of the day. And then you go and get a little more ready, and they set the lights, and then you come and you shoot it. Yeah. I was about to like, hey, go, yes, and you are.